You got very well. So I will give you another game. This game, you ask, Helena answer. Okay? Okay. Firstly, I sweep it first. And then I will give you some blanks here. Wait a second. Okay, there are some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In these 6 numbers, you can pick one, such as if you pick 2 and the background has another fruit, and you can ask me, I choose such as I choose 2. 这是什么? I will tell you the answer, but you must be very carefully because 1, 2, 3, 4 in until the 6 there is a bone. You know what's that? Here, like this. If you choose by this one, it will be boom. Okay. So if you don't want to be boom, please pick the right answer. Okay. Are you ready? Now, firstly, you can choose one. Which one you choose? Which number? Okay. So try to ask me. Do you want to know what is 3? Try to ask me, how do you say, what's this? What's this? Let's try to ask. Okay, we can read that again, okay? 这是什么? Try again. 这是什么? Very good. Okay, so do you want to know what's this in number 3? Try to ask me, what's this? Very good. Okay, I will show you. See, this is number 3. Can you see that? Number 3. 这是桃. Can you see that? 这是桃. Congratulations. Okay, so now number 3, you got a peach here. 桃. Okay. 这是桃. Okay, you can choose another one. 2. Okay, try to ask me, what's this? 这是什么? Okay, I will show you. Wait a second. Here we go. Can you see that? 这是什么? 这是很好，这是梨. Okay, you can choose another one. Congratulations, you got a pear here. 梨. Okay, then 4. Okay, try to ask me, what's this? Okay, I show you here. See? 这是什么? -hmm. 这是葡萄. Yeah, 这是葡萄. Very good. Okay, I will give you 葡萄 here. Okay, you can choose the other one. We still have 1, 5, 6. Attention. Between that, there are a very big bone. Which one you choose? 1? Oh, you are so clever. Let me show you. What is 1? Here. Can you see that? 这是什么? Yeah. 草. Okay, you read here. 这是什么? Very good. 这是草莓. Good. Okay. So I give you strawberry here. 这是草莓. Okay, you got very well. So still have number 5 and then number 6. You have last chance to choose. Attention. Between 5 and 6, there is a bowl. Which one you pick? It's very important. Which one you pick? 5 or 6? Wow! You got very well. Number 6 is nothing. Congratulations. And number 5 is bowl. Okay, very good. You did a very good job to ask me just now. You can ask me by 这是什么 and then you answer by 这是什么. That's very good. Do you have any question? Okay.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。